With the workwear company B2B portal, your business gets its own dedicated online shop, built around your team, your products, and your brand. Choose exactly which products you want to offer, from everyday workwear and uniforms to PPE, high-vis clothing, corporate wear, and promotional products. Each item can be branded with your company logo, helping every member of your team look on brand. Your portal can be organized into clear sections, making it easier for employees to find the products that are relevant to them. You can create separate categories for different departments. Ordering is quick and simple. Employees can choose from approved products, select the correct sizes, and order multiple items for themselves or their wider team. Orders can then be delivered directly to the required office, site, or individual location. You can also create individual user accounts and assign yearly or monthly budgets. The portal also keeps everything in one place. You can view previous purchases, monitor orders, and access invoices whenever you need them. No searching through emails, no unnecessary paperwork, and no confusion over what has already been ordered. As your business changes, your portal can change with it. Products can be added, removed, or updated at any time. Your products, your branding, your budgets, your portal, built around your business. And that's the workwear company B2B portal.